Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to speak simply by listening and speaking in order to improve your spoken English skills. So, if you want to learn to speak English more confidently, then you are at the right place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We also want you to wait till the end of the video because the last practice will make your English so natural. Okay, I'm going to start the practice now. I open my eyes, I smile, I wake myself up, I get out of bed, I make my bed, I open the window to let the fresh morning air in. I look outside the window, the sky is blue, the sun shines. Sometimes I can see clouds drifting by. I hear the birds singing and the rustling of the trees. I feel calm and happy. Every day is a new day, and every day I have a second chance to make my life wonderful. I'm so grateful to be able to experience this beautiful world. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. It helps me to awaken myself. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and smile again. I tell myself today's going to be a great day. I believe in myself. I know that I'm capable of achieving great things. I comb my hair. I get ready for the day. I walk to the kitchen. I drink some water. Water does wonders for our body. Water gives us energy. I make myself some tea. Sometimes I drink coffee instead of tea. Sometimes I have a glass of milk. Sometimes I make myself some fresh juice. I prepare some food for breakfast. I eat eggs and bread and cheese and fruits. Sometimes I eat some yogurt instead of eggs. Sometimes I have some oatmeal for breakfast. Healthy food is the key to a healthy mind and body. I enjoy my food. I savor every bite. I do not rush. I do not look at my mobile phone. I want to enjoy this precious moment of peace and quiet before the busy day ahead starts. After my breakfast, I clear the kitchen, I wash the dishes, I clean the kitchen. I like to see things organized because an organized home brings a sense of peace and calmness to me. Then I get ready for the day. I put on a clean shirt. I wear comfortable clothes and shoes. I double check if I have everything that I need for my day. I leave my home with a smile on my face. I walk out on the street and see people walking by and driving their cars. I see people riding their bikes and running. Everyone has his or her own story to tell, and everyone has different dreams and goals. Everyone wants to carve a path to success. I respect them all and I continue walking. I enjoy the fresh air, the sunshine. Sometimes it rains and sometimes it is cold outside. Sometimes the sun shines brightly and sometimes the wind blows hard. I love all the seasons and months because every day is special in its own way. I arrive at school or work and greet everyone. I smile because a smile is a universal language. A smile can brighten up someone's day. They smile back at me, and I feel so good. I listen intently to everything around me. I learn new things every day. Learning makes me feel so excited and motivated. I ask and answer simple questions. No one is perfect, and I believe that making mistakes is normal. Every mistake teaches us something new, and every mistake makes us wiser. So I continue practicing. I believe that daily practice makes one perfect. I continue to practice my English every day. I try to speak more and more. I drink enough water throughout the day to keep myself healthy and refreshed. I look after my body by taking regular breaks when I feel tired. When I feel stressed, I stretch my body and take a deep breath to relax. I do one thing at a time, and I remain focused. Small efforts compound into great achievements. I believe in myself, and I know that today I can achieve something new. I never compare myself with others. I compare myself with yesterday's me, and I want to become better than who I used to be. I have healthy meals for lunch to give me energy to continue working for my dreams. I eat lots of vegetables and chicken, rice, and sometimes I have some soup for lunch. Sometimes I have some salad and fish for lunch. Healthy food makes us healthy and strong. After lunch, I continue working on my tasks and dreams. I remain positive and patient throughout the day because good things only come to those who are patient. I never give up on my goals, and I move forward no matter what challenges life throws my way. I believe that every obstacle makes us stronger, and every problem teaches us some new lessons. I remain optimistic and hopeful no matter what happens, because I believe that tomorrow will be better than today. In the afternoon, I meet my friends. We chat and we have fun together. We enjoy our simple life. I believe that friends play a very important role in our lives. Friends give us strength and they cheer us up when we are feeling down. I am always considerate of other people's feelings, and I try to be kind to everyone. Helping others never disappoints me. I always respect other people's opinions, and I listen intently when they speak to me. Good communication with others is vital for building good and lasting relationships. Sometimes I spend some time alone. I enjoy being alone and contemplate about my goals and dreams. I imagine my future self and realize that my future depends on my current actions. Every little step counts, and every day matters when it comes to becoming a better version of yourself. I try to practice English every day by listening intently and repeating everything that I hear. I speak slowly and clearly. I do not translate, but I think in English it may start challenging, but I believe that every day I speak English, my English skills become stronger. I continue practicing daily because good things only come to people who make consistent efforts. I enjoy spending my free time reading simple English books, listening to some podcasts, and watching some English videos. Every practice session helps, and I try to learn new words and phrases every day. I love to read because it expands my knowledge and imagination. Every book that I read teaches me something new, and it opens up a whole new world for me. I also like to write a few lines to express my ideas and feelings. It helps me to remember the things that I have learned. I think about my day again before bed and smile because I have achieved something today. I am grateful to be able to live my life the way I do. Today I have made so many new things. I am glad that I have such a wonderful family. I am blessed to have my family and my friends. I thank God for giving me good health and the opportunity to learn. I forgive myself for my mistakes and promise to do better every day. Tomorrow is a new day, and I will continue practicing to become better than who I used to be. I will continue improving my English tomorrow because I believe in myself and my future. I believe that hard work always pays off. Every day I speak English. I continue to listen and practice. I continue to read and think in English. I try to speak English every day. I never give up because I believe strongly that every little progress that I make daily brings me closer to my goals. My English gets better and better. I have made so much progress, and I feel so good about my English speaking skills. I know that I can always do better, and I continue practicing every day. You can do it too. Keep listening and practicing every day. Never give up on your dreams because your future is full of opportunities. You will always move forward and you will make progress every day. You just need to believe in yourself and your abilities and speak English fluently. You can do it. The practice that you have just done will help you become a better English speaker with time. Every day that you speak English with confidence, your English becomes better. Every day that you practice speaking English, your pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and listening skills improve. You may find yourself thinking and speaking in English more often than before. Every day of consistent effort will take you closer to fluency. You will see that your English is not as difficult as you have previously thought. You will feel more confident every day. You will become so comfortable with the language that you will enjoy speaking English more and more. Your English will continue to improve. One day you will realize how much progress you have made and how much better you are than before. Your confidence will grow with every day that you dedicate some time to practicing English. Your English abilities will continue to expand and advance with every new day. With every opportunity to learn something new, you have so many chances to make your world a better place. Keep speaking English with confidence. Do not give up.